Charlie bago i-blow ni Harper ang kanyang candle? Pwede po ba natin munang batiin si Harper ng happy birthday? Sabay-sabay po tayo on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Harper! Okay,
Smile! Ayan, hindi na lang, maligay na silang camera, titingin. Basta tingin kayo sa camera. Ayan, baby girl, baby boy, look at the camera, smile! Okay, very good, baby girl. Touch your head, baby girl. Touch your head. Ayan, Chinese po ba ito? Hindi naman. Ayan. Okay, Jollibee says, touch your shoulder. Yes, very good, baby girl. Jollibee says, touch your knees. Jollibee says, touch your head. Jollibee says, touch your shoulder. Jollibee says, touch your knees. Jollibee says, touch your toes. Touch your head, baby girl. Touch your head. Touch your head. Yes. Jollibee says, touch your shoulder. Yes, very good, baby girl. Touch your shoulder. Jollibee says, touch your head. Jollibee says, get the up! Ayan, wag ka na naman at baby girl. Meron ka na. Ayan, okay. Very good. Okay, Jollibee says, touch your toes. Jollibee says, get the up! Patay, yan na. Ito sa'yo, baby girl. Yes, you're still winner. Thank you so much, baby girl. Ayan, okay, buti napigilan niya yan. Aprende yun. Muntik na. Ayan, okay. Jollibee says, touch your knees. Jollibee says, touch your head. Jollibee says, touch your toes. Jollibee says, get the up! Ayan, thank you so much. Jollibee says, touch your shoulder. Ay, gumaling si Bebe. Jollibee says, touch your head. Jollibee says, get the up! Ayan, ito yung sa'yo, Bebe. Happy birthday.
okay, once again, isang mas malakas at mas masaya! Asan? Oh. Sigurado ka? Siya ba yun? Asan? Oh. Iyan. Oh, lapitan mo naman siya. Lakas na palakpakan mo na para kay Jollibee and friends.
Jollibee. Yung Jollibee na dito lang.